If you're living in Austin and dealing with unwanted clutter, you're not alone. Whether it's after a home renovation, spring cleaning, or just years of accumulating items you no longer need, hiring a junk removal company can make a world of difference. However, with so many options available in Austin, choosing the right company can be overwhelming. To help you make an informed decision, here's what you need to know before hiring a junk removal service. Understand the types of junk removal services. Not all junk removal services are the same. Some companies offer full service removal, where they do all the heavy lifting, hauling, and disposal for you. Others may provide a dumpster rental, where you load up the junk yourself, and the company handles the removal. It's important to understand what service you need based on your project. If you're tackling a large, messy cleanup and want to save time, full service removal may be the best option. If you're working on a smaller project, a dumpster rental may be more cost-effective. Look for licensed and insured companies. When hiring a junk removal company, it's essential to ensure that they are both licensed and insured. This is not just a formality, it protects you and the company in case of accidents or damage during the junk removal process. A reputable company will have liability insurance to cover any damages to your property and workers' compensation in case of an injury on the job. Always ask for proof of insurance before allowing any company to perform services at your home or business. Get multiple quotes. Price can vary significantly between junk removal companies, so it's a good idea to get quotes from a few different providers. Many companies will offer free, no-obligation estimates, and it's worth taking advantage of these to compare pricing. Be sure to ask if the quote includes all services, such as labor, transportation, disposal fees, and any other potential charges. Some companies may offer lower initial quotes but tack on hidden fees at the end, so clarity is key to avoiding surprises. Ask about eco-friendly practices. Austin residents care about the environment, and many junk removal companies in the area pride themselves on their eco-friendly practices. Before hiring a company, inquire about how they dispose of the items they collect. A good junk removal company should recycle or donate as much as possible instead of sending everything to the landfill. Ask them if they have partnerships with local charities or recycling centers to ensure that your unwanted items are being disposed of in a sustainable manner. Consider the company's reputation. Customer reviews and testimonials can provide valuable insights into the quality of service a junk removal company offers. Look for companies with positive reviews that highlight their professionalism, efficiency, and friendly customer service. Avoid companies with numerous complaints or poor ratings. You can check online review platforms or ask for references directly from the company to get an accurate picture of what to expect. Know the types of items they take. Different junk removal companies may have different restrictions on the types of items they accept. Some may handle everything from old furniture to appliances, while others may not accept hazardous materials or large items like hot tubs or construction debris. Make sure to confirm with the company ahead of time what they can and cannot take. This will help you avoid unnecessary surprises and ensure you're not left with items they can't remove. Inquire about timeliness. Time is often of the essence when it comes to junk removal, especially if you're cleaning out a home before a move or renovation. Ask potential junk removal companies about their availability and how quickly they can complete the job. Many companies offer same-day or next-day services, but it's important to confirm this ahead of time, especially during busy periods. Make sure the company is flexible and can work within your schedule. Consider local businesses. While national chains are certainly an option, hiring a locally owned junk removal company in Austin can have several benefits. Local companies often provide more personalized service and may be more flexible with pricing or scheduling. Plus, when you support local businesses, you contribute to the local economy and foster community growth. Conclusion: choosing the right junk removal company in Austin requires some research, but by keeping these key factors in mind, services offered, pricing, eco-friendly practices, reputation, and availability, you can make an informed decision that will help streamline your project. With the right company, you'll be able to clear out your unwanted items quickly and efficiently, all while supporting sustainable practices and local businesses.